Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani coming to you today with a small home goods / Target haul. I needed a item for my laundry room, which I'm working on. I am so excited. I'm almost completed. I just needed to get a couple items to finish it up. So I figured I would share with you guys what I got. First, I want to start off with, I got these 4 candles. They're made by Wax, WHAX. These smell so amazing. I had them in a plastic bag. I just took them out because I didn't want to put them away. I wanted to show it to you guys before I actually did. And I mean, it just smells so amazing. The regular price on these were $9.99, and I got it on sale for, I believe it was $5. Let's see if you can see that. Yep, $5. I'll give you another look just in case you guys are interested in these. I'm telling you, they smell so amazing. I am just a sucker for candles. Next, I got these 2 plant holders. They're very pretty. But I won't be using them as plant holders. I'm going to be using them in my laundry room. I'm not sure what the regular price were on these, but I got these for $4.50. Then I got this beautiful soap dispenser. The regular price for it was $19.99, and I got it on sale for $8. The next project that I will be working on will be my kitchen. I'm replacing my sink. So once I change my sink, I wanted something pretty to match the faucet. I also got this spring sign. I know spring is over, but I thought it would be best to get it now that it's on clearance for next year. It is made out of wood. The regular price on it was $19.99, and I also got it for $9. The next 2 items I got, the one on the left, the gray and white, I got that from Home Goods. The regular price was $19.99, but it was on sale for $17. Then the one on the right came from Target. It was $24.99, and I ended up getting it for $12. Now the colors that I am going with in my laundry room is that gray, white, and this aqua blue. So I'm not sure which rug I'm going to use. So I wanted you guys to leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you think I used. Again, the one on the left came from Home Goods. It was $19.99, got it for $17. And the one on the right was $24.99, which was on sale for $12. I will be keeping them both, but I'm just not sure which one will look best in the room. Again, if you can guess which one I use, please leave that in the comments down below. And finally, the item I went into Home Goods to get, which is this beautiful laundry basket. It is in the color silver. It is metal on wheels. So I would kind of say the style is rustic. The regular price was $39.99. I ended up getting it for $22. Well guys, this is the end of my video. Like I said, it was a very small haul. I just needed to get that one item for my laundry room. Hopefully I'll be bringing my laundry room pretty soon. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Should you decide to subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Again, please leave a comment in the description down below. Let me know which one of the rugs you think I went with. That would be greatly appreciated. Again, thank you so much for watching. Everyone be blessed, have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.